In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter contacts in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use quick filters to zero in on the contacts you need without digging through complex menus. Quick filters are built for speed. They sit right at the top of your contact index and let you narrow your list by common properties in just a couple of clicks, so you can move from a long list to a focused set of records instantly. First, let's get to the right place. From your HubSpot navigation, go to CRM, then Contacts. This opens the Contact Index page, the main table where all your contacts are listed. Look just above the table. You'll see quick filter dropdowns for commonly used properties such as contact owner and create date. These are your starting points. To apply a quick filter, click a property dropdown and choose the values you care about. For contact owner, you might pick yourself or a teammate to see only the records assigned to that person. For create date, you can pick a preset like today, last 7 days, or this month, or select a custom date range if you're reviewing a specific campaign period. As soon as you make a selection, the table updates right away. No extra buttons needed. You can stack filters together too. For example, filter by contact owner and then by create date to find newly created contacts assigned to a particular rep. If you want to try a different combination, simply clear a value from a dropdown or reset the selection to bring everything back. Now, if you find yourself reaching for certain properties often and they aren't already visible as quick filters, you can add them for faster access. Click the More option in the toolbar above the table. From there, select additional properties you want to appear as quick filters. Think of properties like lifecycle stage, lead status, or source, whatever you use regularly. Once added, those properties will show up alongside the existing quick filters at the top, so you can apply them with the same one-click ease. This small setup step pays off by reducing repetitive searching and keeping your most important criteria front and center. A few tips as you work. Use the search field inside a dropdown to find long property lists quickly. Combine multiple quick filters to get highly specific results. And remember that filtering doesn't change your data, it just changes what you see. That means you can experiment freely and clear filters anytime. That's it. With quick filters and a few customized additions, you can scan, sort, and focus your contacts in seconds.